Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's trade ideas on Signal. We'll be starting from where we left off, and we'll review our previous trades, and we then go on to analyze what we can capitalize on for today and for this week. Okay. So, last week all our trade got materialized. We have like four expectations in the market, and they are all moving in the expected direction that we want. And this morning, in the midnight, all our trades got it. All TP was it. All TP was it. Even the ones that we have here, every TP that we have in the market got it. Okay. So what we're going to do is, and I hope everybody that watched my previous videos was able to capitalize on the trade. Nothing brings joy than uh, people actually using yeah, what you are putting out there, and, for you to be benefiting people's life. That's the joy. There is a kind of joy that it brings. So, okay, so moving forward, we have this trade in the markets, and they are all materialized. And now we'll be raising all our notations. Be raising all our notations, everything, all our expectations has been met, except from our weekly, and as you can see, we are moving toward that direction already. So we have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about. And by now, we can easily reposition our stop loss into the highs, so that at least no matter what happens, But personally, I don't like pushing my stop loss. I'll just leave it there. Break even, I hate it. I don't like it because sometimes markets can just come back. It's as if you are yet to accept the risk involved in the market. If you accept the risk, then no, anything can happen in the market. Whatever make me place a trade, I already accept the risk that that money is no longer mine. So until my TP hits. So all our TP has been hit now. And what we'll be picking from again is this this particular leg. Or we can just briefly do some little analysis here. We have this leg. Money has been transferred from this leg to this leg. This is weekly, don't forget. And we're already at the end of the month, so we've got to be very, very careful. But nonetheless, everything, nothing, anything can happen in the market. So that's a strong low. And here will be our weak high, which we are expecting market to read. So that's our weak high. So, but as it is on lower time frame, we are not expecting this low to come back again. So we are anticipating, okay, we know that on lower time frame, this has automatically turns to our strong low. So we are expecting, that money has been transferred from this place to this particular one. So these are new strong low. Moving on to daily to see what we can capitalize on. As you can see, is very, 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 very clear. So these are leg, and we are anticipating that this particular leg will be taken out, will be used to kind of send price into the ice. As you can see, just touch the head, but nonetheless, this is where we miss our trade here. We're expecting that this leg is going to be we're going to have a deeper penetration, but we just tap the minor flip we have there and it sent price into the ice. So it's just to kind of tell us that volatility toward the eye is very, 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 very strong. So since this place wasn't materialized, the next expectation is this particular leg here. The money has been transferred to again. So yeah, this is where we'll be anticipating another retracement into this OB. But nonetheless, what happened here can still happen here. So we might just basically have this particular leg this actual leg to be the one that's going to kind of, give us some kind of support that we are looking for in the market. So, without further ado, as you can see, it is very simple using structure. We have this shift here, we have all this leg here. Let's try to analyze it on 4 hours so that at least we have a clear picture and we know what we are looking toward. So, we have this MSS, which is shift in the market. It's a major shift for the matter, and it's very, very pure. So, we have this major MSS, and from there, we have TC. So we have this TC. It didn't actually happen there. I talked about this TC in our previous episodes. So we have this structure break into the high. Then we are expecting some kind of retracement into this level, but the minor flip here support it and we moved forward. So automatically it's money got transferred. This is another strong guy and this is another, strong low. So money has transferred from here to this place. So here becomes our support again, which is our strong low. Then we have this week. I have made all this analysis in our previous something. So we have that to be our week low. Week high that we're expecting market to read in the market, and this strong low has also been transferred, and we are expecting another something now. We are not expecting market to get to this, and we have this massive OB. But what we can see from this particular level is that the OB has been transcended, and we now have another proportion block that will be anticipating to send price into the highs. So it's a proportion block because this OB has been properly mitigated by this leg that we have here. Then we'll be anticipating to buy from this particular leg. And that's 4 hours. Let's check 1 hour to see what we can capitalize on. And we have this leg. There is proper mitigation up to this level. So no matter what, it is actually this leg. And to avoid being over analyzing and other stuff, so I'll just go ahead with this particular trade here. The very massive bit something. So 75 until, it's going to, this is a very big one. It's a very big range. But nonetheless, the market will still provide us. Once this one got mitigated, we have 78.5, 78.5 times 5. So we have 3. So that will give us perfect 125, 3925. So this will be our full range. Then we'll be anticipating when the market gets into this level to give us some kind of level in the market. So the market is still moving toward that direction. And as you can see, it's a very big one. So nonetheless, we know that eventually we're going to have something like this. So once market gets into this place, we'll come on lower time frame to try and see how we can capitalize on lower something. So this will be my trade for the week one for today, and anything can happen. But at least this is the range for today. So tomorrow we might come back and see the little something, or in the afternoon if I see the setup to have a minor range, minor point of interest. A very small point of interest. Not all accounts can trade this big something. So, but you are trading big accounts, you can be rest assured that you're going to take this range. It's a 78.5 pips something. So is where I think we are good to go. No more something. It's better to put your egg in one basket and monitor it closely than spreading it all around. If you are not sure of yourself, if you are not sure of what you are doing, that's when you'll be spreading your eggs all around. So may God secure and protect us. Amen. So this will be our trade for today. And it will be our guiding stuff going forward. So we know we are still on the right upside of the market. So we're capitalizing on this. So thank you very much. Have a lovely and profitable day. Thank you.